Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yet again, your answers do not have to match mine because this is an open-ended question and you can write whatever fiction or non-fiction memory you have in your bridging activity, but make sure your spellings are correct. Now look at the SLO. We will be tackling two most important things. What are those? We will be focusing on the fiction and non-fiction types of text. We will be learning what is non-fiction and what is not, and distinguishing between similarly spelled words. Those words which have very minor differences of vowels inside it, we will be tackling that. Now look at this upcoming slide. Text can be stories, it can be a poetry, or it can be an informative story as well. Now stories can be both real events or it can be fictional. Fictional means not real, they are made up of. Now, poetry is a very condensed linguistic form of expressions of emotions, ideas, or narratives. So, we can see all of these things in a poetry, but the language is very, very emotional. Now, what are informative text or books? They are factual text. It means there is no made up story. Everything there is reliable with detailed data of any specific subjects. So factual texts are non-fictions, they are not imaginary, they are real fact-based information. So whatever story that would be, any story, either it is fiction, entirely made up means not real, and not fiction means real story. It has to have three very important elements. First of all, it should have some characters, which means active agents, those subjects who are doing something. Then the settings. Setting means environment, where the story is taking place, either at home or at a park or at a school, whatever the place is. And plot. Plot means the narrative in sequence. So everything has to be placed in sequence, not at a random strategy. So a story can be a fiction or non-fiction, but it has to have all of these characters inside it. Now, what is the most important thing about poetry? Poetry should have a rhyme and rhythm in it because it tells emotions in a very condensed way. So rhyme and rhythm is the most important part of the poetry. So what we have discussed about the factual fact is that it either be based on the animals, or it can be about space, or it can be about history, but it will be giving you detailed factual based information, no made up stories. So we have discussed stories, poetry, information text. The most important thing about information text, it has facts and data. The most important thing about poetry, it has rhythm and rhyme. And stories, either fictional or not fictional, has to have characters, plot, and setting. So this is what we have learned in the slide so far. So we will be discussing about those words which have minimal change of vowels inside it, but they sound a bit similar, but they have completely different meaning. For example, cat or cut, bat or bet. So we have a list of words over here with minimal change of vowels inside them. This is what you have to read in the class with the help of your teacher. Now, to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed this formative check. You have to do it in the class with the help of your teacher. Then go home, do your homework. See you again in the next billet. Till then, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.